What is happening with the H-1B lottery selection? My name is Emily Sumner with Sumner Immigration Law, and I'm thrilled to let everyone know that on Friday, USCIS announced that there would be a second round of selections for the H-1B cap lottery. And in fact, we started receiving these registrations over the weekend. We received multiple multiple selections rather over the weekend. USCIS has not indicated if they are complete, if they've completed the selection process. We'll let everyone know as soon as we have that information. If you are a client of Sumner Immigration Law, we have already notified employers that have employees or foreign nationals registrations that were selected. We can file those cases between August 2nd and October 31st. The question of whether there's going to be a third round, nobody knows. It depends. It depends on how many people that were selected in the second round actually file petitions. And the reason it's so hard to tell is because there were so many registrations. There were over 780,000 registrations received. And of those, it's estimated that around 21,000 were eliminated because they were duplicate registrations, payment failed, or the employers deleted the registrations. And of the remaining left, it's estimated that around 400,000 individuals that were registered through multiple employers. So if you were selected for multiple employers, it's not likely, it's possible, but not likely that you would actually file through multiple employers. So we'll have to see what happens there. One side note, USCIS has indicated that they are taking steps to further refine the registration system, perhaps to reduce the chance that a person would be able to register through multiple employers. Perhaps there have been suggestions to maybe make the registration system based on the individual rather than the employer. We'll see what comes of that, but just know there are likely going to be changes in the future. For right now, next steps. If you were selected in the H-1B lottery, or if your employee or your foreign national that is going to work for you, prospective employee, was selected, file the H-1B petition. As I said, we can file between August 2nd and October 31st, and we want to go ahead and get that in so that we know it's received and receipted. If you were not selected in the H-1B lottery, then it's possible that there would be a third H-1B lottery. Again, we don't know when that's going to be or if it's going to happen. I would not hang your hat on that, although I can't give legal advice in this forum. But there are other options. So we have a separate video that we actually published earlier called Life After the H-1B Lottery, Alternatives and Options. And I encourage you to check that out. We talk about all different options aside from the H-1B, which there are. If you weren't selected the second round, or if your employee wasn't, there absolutely is hope. There are other visa classifications, there's the green card option, all kinds of other options. So check out that video. If you were selected and we did not file your registration, we are happy to help with the H-1B filing. Send an email to info@sumnerimmigration.com and we're happy to assist to see if we're a good fit. Otherwise, my name is Emily Sumner with Sumner Immigration Law, serving clients around the state, around the country, and around the world. And we are so happy to announce this change, and we look forward to assisting you with the H-1B filings or any other employment-based or family-based immigration filing. Until next time, I'm Emily Sumner.